every member of the executive team is kicking off the month of May showing something new. And I thought that it might be good to show you what something I've picked up while I work at home, and I've added it into my daily routine. It's the use of resistance bands.
Hi everyone, I'm excited to be part of Pan Shares, and although Phil is a tough act to follow, but I'm going to teach everybody how to make a Sunday gravy.
Hey guys, miss you. I'm sharing today how to make a really simple green smoothie.
Hi, this is Gary. I'm here with Erica and Sean.
Hello.
And we're making Corona coasters. And there you have it. That's how you build a Corona coaster. Thanks for playing.
Hey Panners, it's me, Mark. We're gonna get into the wonderful world of, not golf, cigars, baby.
This is going to be a little tutorial on cutting your hair. I think we're all feeling the barbershops are closed, salons are closed. Maybe you're getting a little shaggy up top there. I'm going to help you out.
Hey Pan! So for today's Pan Shares, I wanted to share something that my fiance and I have been doing a lot in quarantine, and that, as you can see, is baking.
I tried to find a way to combine screen time with creativity to keep the kids busy, and I did it because I've discovered how to make stop motion videos, or rather how to get the kids to make stop motion videos. Here's one I just made.